We're getting shopkins.
Yeah.
We're buying a bunch of shopkins to do an unboxing video.
Yeah.
My little sister. And a baby. That's a baby. And Mom doesn't like her face being shown. I need to set these down because they're like too much to hold in my hand.
Then give 2 for me.
Yeah. So other blind bags there are.
Probably not going to be any blind bags in here.
This is a vlog unboxing. I'm at Target.
You mean Target?
Target.
I'm Target.
Oh, I like this. I could get this for my laundry bin. 'Cause the cat is like ripped mine all the way up, so it doesn't even work no more. I can't wait though. Mom, this is the one that I want. 80 bucks. It's not bad. It comes with all the pillows and everything.
You can't have this till your birthday.
Yeah.
But look how awesome it is.
Oh, wait a second. Okay. Mom, we'll try to find it online, okay?
Okay.
I want this. I gotta go put it back now because I can't have it right now. It's heavy. I never knew blankets could be so heavy. I'm back. We're going to get different sheets. When we get home, I'm going to change into my other shorts, those new shorts. And then we can go get our nails and feet done.
Before we go to the
I like
nail
these. Oh, whoa! It fell. It was heavy. I like this. That pattern.
I need a full. Oh, only $17.99.
Alright, come sit down with me.
No.
We've got fitted sheet and pillowcases.
I like those, and then I like this quilt.
I like this one. Will this match my stuff? I think so, right?
Yeah.
Come sit down with me.
Come on, let's go. Because you have that big teal blanket, and then the white one, so it's blue and white. Oh, look at this. I want this. This is so stupid. Oh, we need cat food. I almost forgot, and she would have been starving. Jersey, twin. You know that I let you do.
No. There's dirty mouth all over it.
Alright, $17.99.
Can't beat it. Oh, these are the ones I have. Oh, no, it's
I
not.
have these, right? I hate how they feel.
Yeah, me too. I hate the crinkling noise they make.
These are just regular old sheets, right?
Should be. Yeah.
These feel like regular sheets?
Yeah.
Because those ones.
Yeah, these are like 10 times softer than this. This is like paper, and it makes like a crinkling noise when you move, and I just don't like it.
Okay, let's get cat food and let's get out of here.
All right.
And you can just run.
No, you mean I don't know. What time is it already?
It is,
So you put air pressure.
say hi.
Hello.
Say hello.
Oh.
Don't touch. No, stop it. She took my phone.
Hey.
You're so cute. Give it back to me. We are driving to In-N-Out Burger to get burger shakes.
What the fuck are you doing, you fucking retard?
I'm not editing that out.
Are you fucking serious? What is this?
This
is the drive. I mean, are you fucking serious?
It's lunchtime.
It's 1 o'clock. Oh, okay,
Look
we're
at
not
it.
coming here.
Well, we're not going here, so.
Wendy's it is.
Wendy. Hi, Wendy.
The line was like all the way wrapped around and then it just went straight.
That is ridiculous.
So I just finished eating and now me and my mom about to go get pedicures and manicures. Oh, manicures and pedicures. Ew, my toes look ugly. Getting pedicures tickles. Like.
Literally is 10 to 15 minutes before the
Alright, so we got 3 blind bags, blind shopkins.
Yeah,
and, and there's 3 different colors. There's the dark pink, light pink, and the white. These are the season 4 shopkins. So let's open them. Let's start with this dark pink one.
Yeah.
So I'm just gonna make it a surprise. Okay, this is a list. There's fruits, bakeries, sweet treats, accessories, homewares, garden, petkins, pet shop, and party time. All right, so this, who do we get? All right, let's
Ooh, I
see.
think that's a pepkin.
No, it's not. This looks like a milkshake. The lighting is horrible.
But well, I watched a video of it, but it was lemonade.
Let's see. It is berry smoothie. Right here,
Maybe.
berry smoothie, and she is a rare.
Ooh, I got a bear.
So we got berry smoothie. We'll put her
I
over
hope
here.
we get a
Oh,
pepkin.
and then the next one we got is Sleeveless.
I hope it's a pepkin.
This is a piece of toast.
No, wait, I have the purple one.
You got the purple one?
Here.
This is breadcrumbs.
Yeah.
And
so I got
he is a common.
I got the purple breadcrumb.
Alright, so that's the first one.
Yep.
And then it comes with a little thing, so we'll
But
put
the
these in
shop
her.
ones.
There we go.
We can play with them too.
So let's just open this next one.
We do just toy videos and candy videos, all kinds of videos, but we don't do bad word videos.
I don't know what that is, but okay.
Saying bad words.
Okay, quiet.
No. Not.
You're weird. Okay. Alright, so I got this other one open. Alright, so let's
It's light pink.
take this off like that. So it's a surprise. The first one we got is a peckin, and it's milk.
It's milk. That's so cute.
Is this a pet can or is this a pet shop? I don't know, but it's cute and it's a dog, so it has little dog ears. It's a pet can and it's a milk. I was thinking it should be a cow, but it's not. Let's see who it is. This is Milk Bud, and this is a special edition.
Special edition. Ooh, I want to touch it.
And then we got a bagel sandwich. Sandwich.
Got a bagel sandwich.
Let's see who this is. So this is
Yeah,
what it
it's
looks
shaped like a donut.
It's a bagel with the stuff, sandwich stuff inside. So let's see what this is. This is Bagel Billy.
Bagel Billy.
And he is a common.
Oh. Help it. I hope you get a special edition in the last one.
Well, we got one special edition, so let's try to get an ultra rare.
Yes.
No repeats, please. Don't
Yeah,
want
because
any repeats.
we already got a repeat.
Well, not in these.
Same color.
Not in these baskets. Oh no, came out. All right, so I guess we're opening this one first. This is cherries, and they're fuzzy. It looks like they're fuzzy. Let me open these.
Are they special edition or they are ultra rare?
I don't know. I think no, they're not fuzzy. They just look fuzzy. Rowan, turn the stairs light on. Can't see anything in the camera. That helped. All right. So this is what they look like. These little ones. They looked fuzzy, but they're not. And then the last one is a sparkly one.
Ooh, I think that's ultra rare.
And she looks like an accessory. She is sparkly, and you can feel the sparkles on her.
I want to feel it. Ooh, I can't.
I'm not sure what it is. No, she's not an accessory. She's a can of tuna. Looks
Ew.
like. All right, so let's see what she is. Tuna. Tuna.
Even though my sister does not like tuna.
I have no idea where this would be. Okay, it is Tina cat food. And she is a ultra rare.
Ooh, yay. I got an ultra rare sparkly one.
Oh, sorry. But we got pretty much all new ones because we didn't get any repeats because this is the same but it's in a different color. So it's technically not a repeat.
Yeah.
So we got, oh, we never found the cherries. We never saw what they were and what their name was.
Oopsie daisies.
They're probably going to be in fruits and vegetables. There are cheeky cherries and they are common. So we got,
And they're double.
yeah, so we got an ultra rare and a special edition, and then we got the rest commons. So,
Bye, guys.
this is the end of this vlog. If you guys liked it, give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!